The full experience of the K65 RGB Mini is unlocked when paired with Corsair iCUE. If you don't have iCUE installed, you can download it at corsair.com/iCUE. Hover your mouse cursor over the tile for the K65 RGB Mini and go to Key Assignments. To view the default function key shortcuts on the K65 RGB Mini, click the Info button. If you want to quickly pull up a reference for these function key shortcuts, simply right-click the iCUE icon in the Windows taskbar tray and select K65 RGB Mini FN Shortcuts. To add a new software key assignment, click the plus button and select your assignment type. Now select the key that you wish this assignment to be mapped to. If you want this key assignment to be assigned to a function layer, click the plus button under Modifier and press either the function key or the function and menu keys to map this assignment to function layer 1 or function layer 2. Now configure your assignment. If you want to create a key assignment that'll be available when iCUE isn't running, go to Hardware Key Assignments and repeat the process. Note that you'll need to save this profile to your K65 RGB Mini for custom hardware key assignments to be saved to the keyboard. To configure the lighting of your K65 RGB Mini, go to the Lighting Effects tab. You can either change the default lighting layer or add a new layer by clicking the plus button. Now select the lighting type. You can choose from preset animations, custom lighting effects, or lighting link effects that'll synchronize across all your iCUE supported devices. Now select the lighting zones this lighting effect will be assigned to. You can either click individual keyboard keys, multiple keys by holding Ctrl while left-clicking, or click and drag to select a large number of keys at once. To help make things a bit easier, you can also select a quick lighting zone. If you want to program a lighting effect that'll be available when iCUE isn't running, go to Hardware Lightings and repeat the process. The Performance tab allows you to enable or disable certain keys and key combinations when WinLock is enabled. You can change the colors of the WinLock, profile, and macro recording indicators in this menu as well. The Device Settings menu allows you to check for firmware updates, change the polling rate, adjust the global brightness of the keyboard, swap menu key functions, and enable or disable lock indicators. By default, the K65 RGB Mini will be set to a polling rate of 1000 Hz for the best compatibility. To enable Axon Hyperpolling, set the polling rate to 8000 Hz by selecting it in the drop-down menu. This menu is also where you want to go to save the current profile's hardware key assignments and hardware lighting effects to the K65 RGB Mini's onboard memory. And that's it. The Corsair K65 RGB Mini provides all the functionality of a full-size Corsair gaming keyboard in a compact package. For more information about the Corsair K65 RGB Mini, check us out at corsair.com.